Ice maker machine is a compact device, produce small quantities of ice, by using powerful compressor, evaporator, and cooling system, to freeze water into ice at much larger scale, as mentioned in next slide. This slide refer to modular ice machine. And this slide refer to Undercounter ice machine. While this slide refer to countertop ice machines. Whereas this slide refer to ice dispenser machine. And this slide refer to storage bin of ice maker. On the other hand, this slide refer to shape of cube ice. And this slide refer to shape of flake ice. And this slide refer to shape of gourmet ice.